Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in this class we shall start with the topic called as rate of change of quantities. Already in the previous class we have discussed about this topic, that is rate of change. Rate of change of y with respect to x. Okay, rate of change of y with respect to x. Okay, that is rate of change of one quantity compared to another quantity, that is nothing but our dy by dx. Okay, depending on this particular application of the differentiation, we are starting with our examples related to our first subtopic, that is rate of change. Now let us look onto the problem here. This is an important problem asked in your question papers many times. Okay, for example, this particular question has been asked in March 2017. Okay, March 2017 for 5 marks in your annual examination. Okay, very important question. Now pay attention. The length x of the rectangle, okay, length as well as breadth here. The length x of the rectangle is decreasing. Okay, the length, it is decreasing, okay, at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute, and the width, okay, and the width, that is y, okay, is increasing. It is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. Okay, that means the whole problem is related to now rectangle here. We require to, so here what he is asking, when x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of the perimeter. Okay, so talate and karitivi the perimeter. So perimeter of the rectangle 2 into x plus y. If you are taking x as length here and y as breadth here, width, and the area of the rectangle is given by x into y. Now here, that is length into breadth. Now here, what is the given data? The length x is of a rectangle is decreasing. Rate of change, that doesn't means only increasing only, it may be decrease also. Okay, the rate of change means it may decrease also. Rate of change, that means a displacement, that's all. So here rate of change of rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter. That means given dx by dt equal to rate of change, length of rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. That's why I taken here dx by dt, where t means what it is? T means it is time, and x is nothing but here length here. X is nothing but length of the rectangle. Similarly, but one more thing very we have to pay attention is it is decreasing here. Decreasing means we have to take it as a negative sign. Okay, that is very important point here. Okay, decreasing means we have to take it as negative here. That is very important thing. First thing, also given dy by dt, that means what? The width y is increasing. Increasing means obviously it is positive, increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. Okay, 4 centimeter per minute. These are the given data. Now when x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of the perimeter. We shall discuss now. So now the first point is the perimeter of the rectangle. The perimeter P, perimeter of rectangle B. Okay, P is equal to 2 into x plus y, that is length into length plus width formula, 2 into. Now here what I require the rate of change in the P. Rate of change in P means what? dp by dt. Okay, dp by dt is equal to 2 into dx by dt plus of dy by dt. The problem is very simple, that is 2 into, what is the dx by dt value now? Dx by dt value is minus 5. Okay friends, it is minus 5 plus dy by dt value is 4. That means what we get here? 2 into minus 1, the value will be minus 2. The answer is minus 2. Okay, that means the rate of change of the perimeter, of rectangle is decreasing at the rate of minus 2, okay, centimeter per minute. Minus 2 centimeter per minute. It is decreasing. Okay, therefore perimeter is area, okay, that is the rate of change of, therefore perimeter is decreasing at the rate of at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. That is a required result. Very simple example. Now we shall move on with the next one. What is the next one here? What we require to find? The area of the rectangle. Okay, area of the rectangle B. Area of rectangle B. Okay, A is equal to x into y, that is length into breadth here. Now what I require? Rate of change of area, change in area, that is dA by dt equal to, I have to differentiate here by parts because both are the variables of t only, that is this part will be u by using product rule, u as it is dv by dt, v as it is dx by dt. Okay, that is x as it is dy by dt plus y as it is into dx by dt. Now what I require to find here? I require to find the rate of change of area of rectangle when x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6 centimeter. That I require to substitute. Okay, so now dA by dt at x is equal to here 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, is equal to, I will substitute here. X means what is the value here? 8 into dy by dt. What is the dy by dt value? 4. Okay, plus y as it is. What is the value for y? 6 into dx by dt value is minus 5. So what is the answer? 8 4s are 32 minus 5 6 are 30. The value will be 2 centimeter square per minute. That means here area of the rectangle is increasing. It is positive means it is increasing. Therefore area of rectangle is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter square per second. That is your required result. Dear students, it is a very simple problem asked in a question paper for 5 marks. One more question has been asked in your question paper, dear students, very much similar to this. Okay, that was asked in March 2016. Okay, March 2016 question paper, again for 5 marks. The same question. The length x of the rectangle is decreasing. Okay, at the rate of 3 centimeter. Here he has given 3 centimeter per minute, and then width is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute when x equal to 10 centimeter. Here change the data here, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 6. Find the rate of change of the perimeter and the rate of change of the rectangle. This question is the second one. Okay, very simple kind of problem it is. Just a little bit data here has changed, that's all. Okay, just we require to find out the answer here. Okay, dear students, now same as it is, the rate of change, the area of rectangle is, the length of the rectangle is decreasing, that is minus, what is the value? Minus 3 he has given. Then here increasing, y is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter, same as it is. Then area of the perimeter, everything will be same, just we have to substitute the values here. Okay, now what is the value here? That is minus 3 2, minus 3 plus 2, that is nothing but minus 2 is the required answer. The same thing we are getting, first thing. Then the area of the rectangle B, A is equal to x into y. The rate of change of area, so everything will be same because the area of rectangle we require to find here. One more thing, dA by dt I require to find at what? X is equal to 10 and y is equal to 6. X equal to 10 and y is equal to 6 here. So what we get? That I will substitute. Now x is equal to what we have? That is 10. dy by dt value is 2 here. Plus, okay, y as it is, y value is 6 here. And here dx by dt value will be minus 3. That means what we get? 10 2s are 20. And 6 3s are 18. Again two answer we are getting. Again the same answer we are getting. This is also a previous year question asked in the year March 2016 question paper for 5 marks. Dear students, these two problems were very important and simple. So before going to the next video, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear students, now let us move on to the next problem asked for 5 marks in your supplementary examination, that is June 2016, for 5 marks. A ladder 5 centimeter long, okay, is leaning against the wall. Okay, what he has given, there is a wall here, okay, it is a wall here, the ladder is leaning here. Okay, dear students, the ladder is leaning here, the ladder is leaning against the wall. It is our ladder, dear students, it is leaning against the wall. Then the bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground. What is asking? The ladder is pulled along the ground from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. What is asking? It is our ground here. Dear students, it is our ground. Let us take it as X here. It is our wall. Let us take it as Y here. Now what he has given? A ladder of 5 centimeter long he has given. The distance of the ladder, okay, the length of the ladder he has given, that is 5 centimeter. Now long is leaning against the wall. And what he is doing is, the bottom of the ladder, what it is, he is pulling here. Okay, that he is pulling. Okay, so that he is pulling away from the wall here. This is our wall. Y is the wall. He is pulling the ladder away from it. That means what? X is there. Okay, X is there. X rate of change will be increasing. How it is increasing? From Y here. From this particular point to point, this is X distance. The X will increase. Why it is increasing? The ladder we are pulling here. Okay, ladder we are pulling here. At the rate of what he is asking here, ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. That means here there is a rate of change in X with respect to what it is, with respect to time. Okay, that is at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. So now what is the given data here? Okay, that means here the given data is given length of the ladder be 5 centimeter per second. Okay, 5 centimeter. Then what is given? Let X be the, so what we can kill? X be the, so ladder pulled along the ground here away from the wall. X be the distance from the ladder to the wall here, and Y be the length of the wall. Given dx by dt. What do you mean by dx by dt here? Rate of change in the bottom here. Since we are pulling the ladder, the bottom of the ladder we are pulling in that direction, x ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗೋದು ಹೋಗೋದು. Okay, x increases. X increases means what? There is a rate of change in x ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Rate of change in x with respect to time. And what is the rate he has given? 2 centimeter per second. First thing. Then how fast is the height? What he is asking? How fast the height of the ladder is decreasing. Since we are pulling the bottom of the ladder in this direction, what happens to the height here? Height decreases here. What happens? The height decreases. That means, so here how fast the height of the ladder decreasing. Okay, when the foot, what is asking? Foot of the ladder is 4 centimeter away from the wall. What is asking here? That means foot of the ladder is 4 centimeter. So this is our foot. When this ladder is little bit here 4 centimeter. Okay, when the ladder is at the distance of 4 centimeter, what will be this particular rate of change is asking. Okay, that means what we require to find? We require to find rate of change in y with respect to time when, okay, when the foot of the ladder means here this x is nothing but what he has given? X is equal to 4 centimeter. When x is equal to 4 centimeter, we require to find. This is all the given data, dear friends. But now the question arises. He had not given any equation only. In the previous equation, okay, previous problem, he has given perimeter. We know the area of the perimeter of the rectangle formula. Depending on that we are done. Area of the rectangle we are done. Area of the circle we are knowing. But here he has not given anything. But instead of that, what he has given is, he has given us a pictorial diagram here. And depending on this particular diagram, we can observe here x, y and phi here. According to Pythagoras theorem, what we can say here is x square plus y square is equal to what I can say here? That is phi square. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, that is x square plus y square is equal to phi square, or else y square is nothing but here I can write it as phi square minus x square, or else y is equal to root of 5 minus x square. Now what we got here, students? We got the value for y here. Okay, now the problem will be very, very simple. Why it will be very simple? Because we require to find what? Dy by dt. Dy by dt when x equal to 4. Now here we have to understand that both x and y are the variables of the time t. Both x and y are dependent on time t here. Okay, so now differentiate with respect to t. So what we get here, y differentiation agate namagili dy by dt equal to root x. Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root of x, that is 5 square. It is 5 square minus x square. Root x is 1 by 2 root x. Further differentiation of, okay, further d by dx of innermost part, that is 0 minus 2x, okay, into further differentiation of x becomes dx by dt. This is very, very important, students. Why it is important? Because here x and y both are dependent on t here. Okay, now here we can observe that 2 to get eliminates. The remaining part is minus x divided by root of 5 square minus x square, okay, into dx by dt. That is nothing but here dy by dt value. So here these two values are given. What values are given? When x equal to 4 and dx by dt equal to 2, what will be our dy by dt value? I have to put here x equal to 4 and dx by dt value equal to 2. Finished. So at dy by dt at x equal to, that is 4 here, which is equal to minus 4 divided by root of 5 square minus 4 square, okay, that is nothing but 25 minus 16 here, 25 minus 16 into dx by dt value is 2 here. So what we get? Minus 8 divided by, so here what we have, 25 minus 16, 25 minus 16 is root 9, root 9 value will be 3 here. So now what we get here? We got here the value is minus 8 by 3, and so here unit will be centimeter per second according to the given data. So what we can write the conclusion here? Therefore the ladder, okay, so what it is, the height of the ladder is decreasing. The ladder is decreasing at the rate of here 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Now here don't write decreasing at the rate of minus 8 by 3. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ decreasing itself indicates minus 8 by 3. But if you got here positive and the question is decreasing, that will be absolutely wrong here. Okay dear students, it is a very, very simple problem asked for the 5 marks. What are the main important concept here? Given data, what we require to find, what are the formulas. These three are the main important things here, and the differentiation part you can do it very, very easily. Okay dear students, before going to next problem, please pause the video to note it down. Okay dear students, now let us move on to the next problem. Again, this is again a question paper problem asked in March 2018 and June 2017, that is supplementary paper 2017 for 5 marks. Let us understand the question first. The sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. Let us understand it. Okay, fine dear students, we are having a pipe here. Now what is happening here is the sand is pouring. Now as the sand is pouring, what happens here? Okay, so sand is pouring, this is our base here. Okay, as the sand is pouring here, dear friends, what is happening? It is forming a cone shape here. Okay, the cone shape is forming as we are pouring the sand onto the ground here. So here this will be our radius. Okay, radius of the ground. Why? Because this is the cone shape, the bottom will be whole circle here, and the middle, that is nothing but here radius of the circle, that I will take it as r. And this particular distance from middle to here, that distance I will take it as h here. That is nothing but height of the cone. This is the given data. Now what is us telling is sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. That means Sand is pouring from the pipe. When the sand is pouring here, there forms a cone. And cone, it is forming means what? The cone is forming at the rate of what is given? Cone, the volume of the cone. So what it is? Sand is, cone is forming is the volume of the cone. It is forming at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. That means here, if I take the volume of the cone, okay, now what is the given data? First of all, according to this first sentence till here, volume of the cone, volume of cone, let us take it as V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square into h. Okay, pi r square into h, that is our given data here. Now here, now we can observe that here, what is given data? Sand is pouring from the pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. That means the volume is increasing at the rate of what it is? 12 centimeter cube. Given dV by dt is equal to what it is? 12 centimeters cube per second. That's why it is nothing but the volume of the cone. Now this is a one data. Now let us read the second. The falling sand forms the cone on the ground. Okay, it is forming ground in such a way that the height is always 1/6 of the radius. Height is always the 1/6 of the radius, that is given. Also given what? Height is equal to 1/6 of its radius. H means height here and r means the radius of the cone here. 1/6 of the radius of the base. One thing, how fast is the height of the sand cone increasing? What is asking now? How fast is the height increasing? Height increase ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಈ ಕೋನ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೋನ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗತ್ತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಹೈಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಕತಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಕೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಎಚ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ dh by dt is asking us. Okay, how fast is the height of the cone, sand cone increasing when the height is 4 centimeter? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಈ ಹೈಟ್ 4 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಓಕೆ, ಈ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್? ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ dh by dt when what he has given, when the height is 4 centimeter, when h is equal to 4. This is all the given data. Now let us observe here. The first of all, v 1 by 3 pi r square h, and here h is equal to what is the value? H is equal to 1 by 6 into r. I will substitute this value. So what we get here? V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square into h. Okay, so what he has given? H is equal to 1 by 6 r. H is equal to 1 by 6 into r, that implies r is equal to 6h. Put this value here. So therefore what we get here? Take it as 1 here, put in 1. Okay, put in 1. So what we get here? V is equal to 1 by 3 pi 6 square r square, that means 6h whole square into h. The value will be 6 6 are 36 by 3, then pi into h cube. So here we can observe that 3 1s are 3 12s are, that means 12 pi h cube is the v value. These are all what? According to the given data I had solved here. I had put r is equal to 6h here. Why I am doing this? I am doing this, it is very simple. Here we are having one more variable r. I don't require r variable. I want everything in h value. Why? Because after differentiating this v, I will get dv by dt. dv by dt value I will get. That is already given. Now here, and we require to find dh by dt when h is equal to 4. R value ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು. Here not given any radius value. For that purpose, we are making everything, we are changing into h terms. Very very simple concept. Now what I will do is differentiate dv by dt equal to v differentiation dv by dt 12 as it is, pi as it is, h cube differentiation will be 3h square into dh by dt. Okay, so here it is a parametric, differentiating both with respect to t here. Now we can observe that the value will be 12 3s are 36 pi h square into dh by dt. Now what is this dv by dt value? But here dv by dt value he has given is 12 centimeter cube per second. That implies this value is 12 is equal to 36 pi h square dh by dt. The problem is very very simple and we are about to end it. Now that means what we get here, that implies dh by dt is equal to 12 divided by 36 pi h square. Okay, h square. 12 ones are 12 threes are. The value will be 1 by 3 pi h square. Okay, but the problem is over. It is not over. Why? Because I require dh by dt when h is equal to what? When h is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, we require dh by dt, okay, at h is equal to 4, which is equal to 1 by 3 pi 4 square. Okay, which is equal to what value we get? That is 16 into 3, that is 1 divided by 48 pi. That is a required result. Now what is the conclusion? What we require to write? The height of the cone, okay, the height of the sand cone is increasing at the rate of 1 divided by 48 pi, okay, that is centimeter per second. That is a required result. Centimeter per second it is. That is a required result. The height of the cone is increasing at 1 divided by 48 pi centimeter per second. Dear students, it is a very very simple problem. Okay dear students, in the next class we shall start with the remaining problems related to our rate of change, that is 5 marks important problems. Thank you students.